how I celebrate Father's Day with my king. Fishing trip, dinner, and a movie.
Making bait.
Extra bait.
Extra.
I'm cutting bait.
Cutting bait.
I'm doing it all here.
And if you're not familiar, Raw Trails is done.
And I got somebody playing. Fish. Reel it in. But you gotta get your picture taken. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Movie time. Let's go.
That runs on faith.
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna buy?
I think I'm gonna buy some podcast equipment.
Yes.
Jealous?
So, How to Train the Dragon. How to Train the Dragon was so freaking good.
Yeah, can't sleep too.
I was knocked out. I can't go to that movie. Them chairs, and then when you cut the heater on the heated seats. Oh my God, let me fix my hair. Cause I be knocked out. I gotta do better. We going to AMC next time when they ain't got no heated seats. Whew, thank you, baby. So, I gotta learn how to stay up. Dog, I be knocked out. I'm gonna do better next time. I had the seat all the way back and I had the heater on in the seats. Not the